Welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name's Michael, and today we're going to be fitting this set of mirrors to a Polaris Ranger SP570 NorthStar, and the part number is 2889241. So I recently picked up the Polaris Ranger mid-size NorthStar and I want to put some mirrors on, so let's jump right into it. We're going to pull these two plugs out. Hopefully you can see on the inside there's some guide holes right there that we're going to drill through. Next we're going to grab the backer plate and slide that inside the bottom of the mirror. Next we're going to grab the mirror, one of the bolts, and you want to torque these to 14 foot-pounds or 19 Newton meters. Next we're just going to pop in the covers. So there is underneath a fastener that you can adjust how tight this mirror is going to be, but that seems about right. And that's all there is to it. Now we have nice mirrors that we can see rearwards, and they should flip in if they get hit by anything. So let me know in the comments if you found that useful, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more Polaris Ranger content. So until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.